Hi guys, welcome to Avarese Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare a Boerewors waffle sandwich. So first things first, I've got my pan heated up. I'm going to go ahead and cook my Boerewors until it is well done. So you want to cook this until you get some good color on there and still preserve the juices and keep it moist inside. So now it's time to prepare the waffle mix, and I've got 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'm just going to stir this and mix all my dry ingredients. Now I'm going to go ahead and add 2 cups of milk and 2 large eggs. I'm going to go ahead and mix that through until the batter is nicely smooth. Now I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Just mix that through the batter and then you can start preparing your waffle iron. Now I'm just spooning the batter into the waffle iron and I'll allow that to cook until it's ready. So now it's time to layer our waffle sandwich. I'm just taking some fresh tomatoes for the first layer. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my Boerewors sausage on top of the tomato and some pickles. Lastly, I'm going to add some grated cheese and melt it under the grill. You're free to use whatever toppings you prefer on your sandwich. You can't go wrong with this. Now I'm just going to add some chili sauce and we are done. It is ready to serve.